Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a spooky yet gorgeous Halloween skull makeup look. Let's dive into it. First, I prepped my skin by applying a serum all over my face for a smooth base, followed by a moisturizer to keep everything hydrated. Then I went in with an eye concealer and set it with compact powder to make sure the eye makeup stays in place. For the eyeshadow, I started with a light brown shade all over my eyelids to add warmth, followed by a touch of light grey on the inner and outer corner of my eyes. This gives a haloid effect, perfect for a skull look. Then I added a sharp eyeliner to make my eyes more dramatic and intense. After I applied foundation on my face and blended it thoroughly, next I used a concealer to highlight a specific area like under my eyes, between my brows, down my nose, and on my chin. Then I contoured my cheeks, forehead, and nose to add depth, making the face look more sculpted. Then I applied it compact all over my face. And I tried to attach the contour of the eyeshadows. And now I set my eyebrows to frame the face. Eyebrows will be dark because we make a good haloid makeup, so it is very important to do the dark eyebrows. And let me tell you a story while I wrap this up. I remember the first time I tried skull makeup. Let's just say it didn't turn out as planned. It was my first Halloween party and I was like so excited to create a creepy look, but somehow my skull looked more like a melting snowman. I have come a long way since then, and it's amazing to see how much practice really pays off. So, if you are trying this look, remember it doesn't have to be perfect, just have fun with it. Because makeup is all about fun. Halloween costumes, Halloween makeup is all about fun. So, let's just keep it that way. Here now I'm making my another eyebrow. I'm showing you full tutorial of it because eyebrows make a good impact on the skull Halloween makeup. So just see and do like I'm doing, okay? And I made those little things between the eyebrows from the start of the eyebrows, so it is important to make those because it will sharpen our face features and make it look like a sculpt one. Alright, under the eye I added a touch of brown eyeshadow for a subtle shadow effect. It should be also blended. Then I applied lashes for my bold look. Now here comes the fun part. Using a toothpick, I dipped into a black color and carefully create skull mouth design. You can do it anything you are comfortable with or at your place, but just make sure it be thin. I also applied a black lipstick in the center of my lips and smudged it for a smoky effect. Make sure it is smudged really nicely. So look neat and great. And for the nose, I added black shape on my nose and blended to make out a mimic a sculpt nose. I used my lipstick to make that small circle on the nose. To complete the skull look, I applied black color to the cheeks to create that haloid outfit and used a gray shade to blend it downward. I highlighted the inner corner of my eyes and the tip of my mouth to make the details pop. Finally, I did few last minute steps, added some highlighter on the nose and inner corners, took a few final look shots and set up my hair for the complete Halloween vibe. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween skull makeup tutorial. If you want to try it, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see spooky looks. Happy Halloween everyone!